Hey guys, I'm Sean with Volkswagen Puyallup, and congratulations on your purchase of a 2024 Volkswagen Atlas. Today we're going to do a couple quick refresher courses just to remind you how cool your vehicle really is. Follow me. One of the great many features of your new 2024 Atlas is the ability to connect both Bluetooth and Android or Apple CarPlay. It's super easy. Check it out. Have my phone. I'm using this as an example as an Android Auto. I will come over here, make sure my phone's on. I go ahead and I select the icon here. I press the Android Auto button here. What's going to happen is my VW 3536 will show up. I'm going to go to my phone and I'm going to pair up some Bluetooth and I'm going to search for 3536. I'm going to select that. I'm going to follow the prompt on my phone that says done. And I'm going to follow the prompt on the system. And again, I'm going to follow the prompt on my phone. And finally, it's going to ask me if I want to use Android Auto. And that's one of the great features about your new 2024 Atlas. One of the other great features of your car is the ability to turn off the auto start stop feature. Now, while the auto start stop feature is a great feature for your vehicle, there may be times where you don't need the feature and want to turn it off. Here's how we do it. Come over to your screen, press the vehicle button, wait for the vehicle to populate, press the start stop icon, and that will disengage the auto start stop feature. To re-engage, simply press the button again. Hey guys, I want to show you a really cool feature on how to gain access to your third row. Simply come up here to the shoulder and you're going to pull the lever forward and in you go. What's really cool is Volkswagen made this ambidextrous. So simply press forward, press the seat back into place, and there you go. So that does it for our quick refresher course on some of the unique features about your 2024 Volkswagen Atlas. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by at 820 River Road or visit us on the web at VolkswagenPuyallup.com. And if you like this video, feel free to hit the like button and or subscribe. We'd love to see you.